looking at a very special little fern called an oak fern, also known as Gymnocarpium dryopteris. So it gets its name, oak fern, from the dryopteris part of its name. So dries actually means oak, and pteris means fern. However, this is a misnomer because it doesn't have anything to do with oaks or oak trees. It just looks similar to another fern that likes oak trees. The Gymnocarpium part of its name refers to the sori, which are the little spore-producing segments underneath the leaves. So the Gymnocarpium refers to the fact that the sori don't have a covering, they don't have an indusium, so they just look like little clusters of kind of eggs underneath the bottom of the leaves. So if we want to look at the fern itself, we can notice a few things about it. It's what's called a solitary fern, meaning it comes up individually. However, it can also grow in clusters like this, so individuals growing together in a large group. If we look at the frond itself, we can notice that it has an overall triangular shape, and it's pinnate, meaning it branches. So at the base here, it branches into three kind of main fronds. If we take a closer look at the bottom fronds, you'll notice that the leaflets are asymmetrical. So on one side of the leaf stalk, it's small, and on the other side, it's larger. So that's a key thing to look for when looking at the oak fern. The other thing we can look at is the stipe. The stipe is the stalk of the fern. So for an oak fern, it's quite shiny, kind of a greenish, brownish color, and it has a little leftover kind of hairs, structures towards the bottom, kind of papery structures. So those are some things to look for. If you're trying to find them, they're not that common, but look for them in kind of moist forest areas at from lower to mid, up to even subalpine elevations. So that's it for the oak fern, Gymnocarpium dryopteris.